Solve by any method the equation 9x to the fourth plus 4 is equal to 37x squared. Let's start by putting everything on one side, set equal to 0 on the other. This gives a 9x to the fourth minus 37x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. And this is a fourth degree equation. It's also of quadratic form, or a quadratic type equation, because of this relationship between our variables. This first variable is that middle one squared. I'm going to choose to solve this using substitution. Let's let u equal this variable part of our middle term, x squared. Then u squared, squaring both sides, is equal to x to the fourth. And let's make this substitution in our equation above, writing it as 9 times, instead of x to the fourth, u squared, minus 37 times, instead of x squared, let's write u, plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this allows us to see this equation as a quadratic equation and solve it as such. Let's solve this by factoring. Factors up front in these binomials that give us a product of 9u squared are 9u and u. Factors of positive 4 that are going to work in here are a minus 1 and a minus 4. Check your inner and outer products. Negative 1u minus 36u gives that negative 37u term in the middle. So this is a correct factorization. Now let's use our zero factor property. So 9u minus 1 is 0, or u minus 4 is 0. Add 1, divide by 9 to get u is equal to 1/9, or u is equal to 4. Now, we're not done yet. We've solved for u, but we want to solve for x. So let's substitute back. We started with u is equal to x squared. So let's write x squared then is 1/9. And over here, x squared then is equal to 4. Take the square root of both sides. Consider both your positive and negative root to get x is equal to a plus or minus 1/3. X is equal to a plus or minus 2. It's always a good idea to check these solutions in your original equation. A check does verify that our solution set includes all of these, our plus or minus 1/3 and our plus or minus 2. I'm going to write these as a negative 2, negative 1/3, positive 1/3, and positive 2 in order.